Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope that you are fine, amazing and well. Welcome back to another video. You guys, I'm starting off today's vlog late. It's around 12:44. Hopefully you can see very well. And there is some construction work going on around my building. So there is a little bit also of noise, but I haven't vlogged in a bit. That is the truth. But I'm starting off this vlog. Today happens to be a Friday, 5th of August, and I just want to bring you along on my day. So my help has just arrived right now. She's going to be doing laundry, so I want to be sorting out all the clothing that she's going to be washing and all that. I think today I also have to be cleaning my house. Then I also have other videos that I want to prep so that all my content is organized for next week. So that's where I'm standing right now. But before that, if this is the first time you're watching my face over here, hi there, I'm tanyanishailoc. I'm a Ugandan beauty and lifestyle content creator. Feel free to subscribe, to like, to comment, and share out with friends and family. Yes, so currently I have already got out the basket which has all the clothing, so I'm going to be sorting out everything. Yeah. Okay, so you guys, I'm done with sorting. So this is the laundry that I'm going to give her to be doing for today. Then the rest of these clothings, I'm going to be doing them for myself. Hopefully, I'm also going to be getting off these clothing so that she can also wash them. They are not that dirty because today has been a tricky day actually. I went to school around 3 a.m. in the morning, and this is why I always advise people to listen to their instincts, even me inclusive. My morning started out around today in particular around 8 a.m. in the morning, and I was just here in bed and just thinking that I don't want to travel to school and all that. But my second thought was over me everywhere, like you have to go. I had to call my friend, my very good friend Posha. She told me that she's also still at home and she doesn't know if today we shall have any lecturer to teach us and all that. And one of these days the economy is taking us on a high speed. I don't want to waste any transport to school when I know that there is no lecturer who's going to be teaching. But anyway, I reached there. To carry that story short, I went out of my bed, did everything I had to be doing, went to school. Reaching school, no one was there. Then on top of that, there was a co-curricular activity sports that was going to take place, and I was completely unready for it. So I just said, let me move to town, from town back home. So these clothing are not that dirty, but I'm going to just give them to her so that she can also be able to wash them. And yeah.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so hi guys, once again. I'm actually eating right now, but I've had some leftover chips going on over here, and this is what I'm eating. But currently, as I eat, I want to just answer some of your questions that you guys have been sending me. Yes, the first one is from Addis Nakiberu. Thank you very much, Addis, for watching my vlogs. I appreciate you a lot and a lot. It is saying that a new follower here, enjoying your content. But by the way, video quality is great. Which camera do you use? So the camera I do use, surprisingly, Alice, I use a mobile phone. The mobile phone I do use, it's a Camon 17 Pro. It is a Tecno mobile phone. I love this phone so absolutely very much. It is 256 gigabytes. When I was starting out to vlog, I believe when I was starting out to be serious with vlogging in 2019, at the start of 2019, somewhere there, I was using a Camon 11. By then, I spent with that phone a very long time. It was 64 GB, but the storage was always disturbing me. So when I saved up enough money, I said, let me buy a Camon 17 Pro, because by then, this is around last year, it was the phone that was very famous of I went in to do my research and knew that it was recording in 4K 30 frames per second. The storage was good. That's why I went on to invest in this particular phone. And I'm very happy that a lot of you guys actually love the quality. Right now, the lighting is not so good because my bulb did blow for this particular room, but I think you can see the quality. The quality is also good with light or without light. So the next question, actually that question from Alice, it comes from the video which I did recently, which was first day of nursing school. If you have not watched it, I'm going to be leaving it in the description box below. The second one is from Kikonyogo Daphne. Thank you very much, Daphne, for watching my vlogs. I appreciate you a lot and a lot. Banange, I thank God I got to watch this. So how do you get online business, like the process, especially teaching other people what to do? So Daphne, the first thing, thank you very absolutely much for watching my vlogs. I appreciate you a lot and a lot and a lot. But I have made already a lot of different vlogs and videos on how you can get on this particular trend of online businesses and try out different things that you can be doing. Especially here in Uganda, we don't have a lot of different standard online businesses that we can actually do, but there are a lot of others that actually you can invest in your time, and you can invest in especially time and airtime, that is data, and you can get some profits with time. So I'm gonna be leaving some of those vlogs in the description box below. You can actually go watch those. Guys, I said that I was going to be eating as we are chatting or as I'm answering your questions, but anyway, Daphne, I just hope that helps in one way or another. So then the last question for today, I'm going to be answering. It is from Nabukenya Yvonne. Where can I find you if I need you to fresh me up? Probably she meant makeup. So Alice, is it Alice? No, Yvonne. You can go on to contact me on my business WhatsApp number. I'm going to be leaving it on screen. We can talk about everything there. Yes, so thank you guys for all the amazing questions, and I believe in some of the last July vlogs we were on creating. I say that I'm going to start answering all your questions in my vlogs, because I did come to understand that a lot of you guys actually, when you do ask questions, sometimes you don't follow up, you don't follow them up, but in the vlogs it is easier to answer them. Even other people who have similar questions come to know that answers. Yeah, so currently I'm going to be finishing off my food. It's almost done, and I'll take a nap. So let me catch you later. You guys, I actually ended up like sleeping, like real sleeping. I don't know if even there you can see me very well, but it was a quick nap. Currently it's around 4 p.m. in the evening, and I'm supposed to be premiering a video at 6 p.m. in the evening. So I think that is the end of my nap. Let me just wake up right now, work on the thumbnail, directly upload the video. I didn't upload the video in the morning because there was a Freaky Friday today. And what I'm trying to do one of these days, in case Airtel has a Freaky Friday like promotion going on, that's the one I use to upload my vlogs. So I'm going to just upload right now. I'm done with editing. I was amidst sleeping or napping as I edit, as I'm manifesting. But anyway, 23 past 4 in the evening. So I'm going to first of all upload. I'm not going to first of all release it, but I'm going to first of all upload, then schedule it for around 6 p.m. as I work on the thumbnail. It's a last minute thumbnail. I'm not a person who loves to do this. Truly, I don't love to do my thumbnails on last minute, but I think I've just been that lazy broke bitch. Is finally done with uploading the vlog or the video. So currently I want to do a real quick unboxing, if that makes sense. So one of you guys, that is Joy Dubai, landed in Uganda, I believe, over a week ago, and she carried me some goodies going on over here. So I want to unbox them with all of you guys, and I think I'm going to be unboxing everything here on my bed. Yeah. So let me first of all set up the camera. Okay, so you guys, the struggle of setting up this camera, but anyway, right now it's well set. So these are the things, guys, I want to unbox real quick before I can dive into the shower and all that. And I want to just give a quick story of how actually I came to, get these particular things. If you're on my Instagram, you have already known the good news. One of you guys surprised me with all these amazing things and some, cash. And guys, I've been so appreciative, and may the Almighty bless you, Joy. Guys, if you don't know, she's also a YouTuber. She's called Joy Dubai. Hopefully, I'm gonna be leaving her channel on my screen and also in the description box below. But anyway, I believe something like 2 days ago, I was passing through my messages, and I randomly fell on this message, which was like, Tanya, it's me, Joy Dubai. You are not picking up. Then immediately I remembered that in some of my videos, I've been coming seeing Joy Dubai commenting and commenting. So when I called her, she told me, Tanya, I have your surprise, and we made an arrangement, and I met up with her in town. Very amazing person, very lovely person. Guys, when I tell you that I have some of the best subscribers, I mean it. She got me a wall clock. Guys, above me here in one of the vlogs, I talked about how I wanted to buy a wall clock when I'm ready. And even the idea actually had just fizzed out of my brain. I was not remembering it. But she told me that when she was watching that like bedroom tour, she said that in that moment she had to get me a wall clock. And I'm very excited that she did get me this. So this is how it does look like going on over here. Hopefully, guys, you can see it very well. Guys, just got it out of the Cavera. This is how it does look like. I'm very, very excited. Look at this. And I love the gold like finish all around the clock. It is absolutely going to look amazing up here. I can already vision it up there and how it's going to look. Second thing, guys, she did get me, it was this dark berries perfume going on over here. I have already like unboxed it. This is how the cover on top does look like. Hopefully, guys, there you can see it very well. And when you open it inside, this is how it does look like. Yes, guys, when I tell you that this perfume smells amazing, like I wore it yesterday to school, and my friends were like, Tanya, what are you wearing? And I was like, I'm wearing my subscribers. Like, okay, in a joking way, but it made sense to my spirit and to my own being. I'm very excited. I love this. I love the clock. She gave me hard cash, 100,000 Ugandan shillings. Yeah, why am I even rambling? Let me just move and get the 100,000 Ugandan shillings, and I show it to you guys. I had kept it in this book. This is my book for the power of your subconscious mind. So this is the 100,000 Ugandan shillings. I haven't even used it, but I'm very excited even to think about the fact that I have this particular money going on. So you guys, that comes to the quick unboxing and my rambling about the love I have for you guys. I want to just thank every person who has supported me wholly. I appreciate you a lot and a lot. And I believe that the sky is the limit. I'm going to do my best as we wait for our time to flourish. I know that right now we are flourishing, obviously, but I know that we still have a long way to go. God is going to use us to do even bigger things, and I'm very excited about that. So I think I'm going to just end today's vlog here. It has been a very, uh, boring vlog, if that makes sense. But it's not boring when it comes to you guys. Just know that. But anyway, let me catch you in my next one. Tanyanishailoc switching out. Bye for now. Oh, you guys, that is how everything has looked like. And I'm very excited. I'm very happy. I've already set up the clock, and yeah,